Are you an algorithmic trader not making money yet? I have one simple tip for you, and that is focus on your easy language skill first. Why? Well, I want you to imagine moving to a foreign country to open up a new business. I'm in the United States and I speak English. But let's say I want to open up a restaurant in the heart of Paris because I love French cuisine. Well, I move myself and my family there and I attempt to start a business. Yet I don't speak French. How hard do you think that would be to open up a new business in Paris when you don't speak the native language? It would make my life incredibly more difficult. It would diminish my ability to succeed. Yet people do this all the time when they come to the algorithmic trading world. Everything we do is through a computer. Your strategy validation, your market research, your live trading, all is done through a computer. Yet people come to this field without knowing how to speak the language of a computer. You can see how ridiculous that sounds. Hi, I'm Jeff Swanson with over 17 years of algorithmic trading using EasyLanguage. And my advice to you is to really get serious with learning how to code in EasyLanguage. Spend 6 to 12 months learning it. I promise you, it will pay dividends down the road. If you click on the link, you'll be taken to my website where you will find a bunch of free EasyLanguage resources that will help you reach success as an algorithmic trader. There's even a free course on how to build your very first EasyLanguage strategy. So check it out, and best of luck to you and your trading.